Hello, good morning. Welcome to week 3. Today you start transformations, translations, and transformations, rotations, dilations. Oh, there's one more. And reflections. So we start out with these key lock puzzles, which are really fun to do. You'll enjoy them quite a bit. The thing that you will notice first is that you cannot use your mouse on this on the grid. So what you're trying to do here is to get this key to move to this key and to like on top of it so that it unlocks right here. Okay, so you're gonna have to move it over and down using the directions here. So if you look right here, this little key right here tells you to go. This will slide things, this will rotate things, and this will reflect things. So this is a translation, rotation, and a reflection, like you saw in the video. So in order to do this, I gotta move it first of all. So I gotta slide it over. So I'm gonna slide it. And notice it gives us coordinates. So I have to know whether or not I'm going to move it on the X or the Y axes. So you may have to play around with it a little bit to kind of get the hang of it. But I know I'm going to move it on the X axis. And I need to know how many I'm going to move it over. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the negative direction. So I'm going to go -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then once I have my coordinate in there, I click the check and it moves for me. So I can't move it with my mouse over here. I have to tell it what to do over here. Hopefully that makes sense. So now I have to move it down. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to slide it on the Y in the negative direction, 6 spaces. Okay, so now it's there, but it's not like it has to be on top of that one. So I'm going to rotate it. I can do that by just rotating it to the left, and then I need to tell it how many degrees. And notice it automatically gives you like 90 degrees. So I only need to go 90 degrees to get it to that point. So then I click check and oh, yay, I'm done. So then you can go on to the next puzzle, and there's several puzzles you can do. And then, so you'll just need to go ahead and complete all of those, and that's all you have to do today, along with your skills practice. So hopefully you'll enjoy that.